हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम पीएस टेट पेपर 1 में पीटी सेक्शन के क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे और इसके राइट आंसर्स देखेंगे। अभी आंसर की अपलोड नहीं हुई है, तो उससे पहले हम चेक करते हैं कि कौन से आंसर्स सही हैं। तो क्वेश्चन 1 इज़ द पर्पस ऑफ कॉन्टीन्यूअस एंड कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव एवोल्यूशन इज़। तो ऑप्शन ए, टू इम्प्रूव ओवरऑल परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ द चाइल्ड। तो ऑप्शन ए इज़ करेक्ट, to improve overall performance of the child. Second question, gifted students differ from their non-gifted classmates as they, option B is correct, integrate abstract ideas more quickly. Okay. Question number third, which is not the principle of universal design of learning. तो इसका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, when it is to be learned. The word, fourth question, the word minority is derived from a language source. Option B is correct, Latin word. Latin word से minority word लिया गया है. Question fifth is Jhamak Kumari Ghimri, born with cerebral palsy, is known for her contribution in. Option A is correct, literature. Okay. Question number 6. A teacher asks a question, who would like to sit with whom during the class picnic. After that, she collects responses and analyzes the students' preferences. She may come to know of the most popular and the least popular student of the class. This measure is known as social dynamics. Option A is correct. Okay, question number 7. The term inclusive education was used for the first time in. Option A, सर्व शिक्षा अभियान 2000. आगे देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Question number 8 is a concept represents a dash. तो concepts represents, option A is correct, class of responses having differential characteristics. Question 9. Cephalocaudal growth means. Option C is correct, growth is from head to downwards. Question number 10, which is not the type of metacognitive knowledge. So option 1 is correct, procedural knowledge. 4 stages of creating thinking are. Option 1 is correct, preparation, incubation, illustration and verification. Question number 12, convergent thinking is synonymous with. Option C is correct, intelligence. Human growth refers to the changes in. Option 1 is correct, A is correct, quantitative aspects. Question number 14, theory of psychosexual development of a child is given by Freud. Option C is correct. 15th question, assessment of students to monitor their progress is known as. Option A is correct, assessment for learning. 16th question, the conclusion of a valid deductive argument is. Option D is correct, observation. The study of the physical, social and mental aspects of aging is called. Option C is correct, gerontology. Question number 8, which law of learning has not been propounded by Thorndike? So option B is correct, law of immediate recall. Next is question number 9. Impairment occurs at. Option B is correct, the organ level. Question number 20. Dyscalculia is a condition closely associated with. Option D is correct, problem in calculation. Question number 21. Piaget's development psychology is concerned with cognitive development. Question number 22. According to Piaget's theory of intellectual development, schema is defined as option A is correct, the basic functional unit of one's cognitive structure. The number of stages in Kohlberg theory of moral development are option C 6. There are 6 number of stages in Kohlberg's theory of moral development. Question number 24th is ZPD stands for option D is correct, zone of proximal development. 25th question is inclusive setup refers to option C is correct, all CWSN in regular schools along with children without disability. Next is question number 26. For individuals to be motivated to satisfy self-actualization needs, deficiency needs to be satisfied first. Who stated this? Option C is correct, Maslow. 27th question is according to Tversky theory, the purpose of scaffolding is to. The purpose is scaffolding is to. Option C is correct. Help students to acquire knowledge and skills they would have learned on their own. 28th question. Gardner's interpersonal intelligence is the. Option C is correct, ability to respond appropriately to motivation and desires of other peoples. Gender bias refers to. Option B is correct, responding differently to male and female students without having sound educational reasons. Question number 30th and last question. An individual who has a specific learning disability has a disorder in one or more of the basic psychological processes, difficulty in learning, problems not due to visual and hearing impairment, and option D is all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. तो आप सब देख सकते हैं, सभी के आंसर आप मैच करिए और देखिए कि आपके कितने मार्क्स बन रहे हैं आउट ऑफ 30 इन CDP सेक्शन. आप कमेंट में मुझे बता सकते हैं कि आपके कितने आंसर सही हैं CDP सेक्शन में से. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.